In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect SteelSeries 9X to PC Bluetooth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The SteelSeries Arctis 9X features Bluetooth compatibility, so you will be able to easily connect it to any device that supports the technology, including of course your PC. You will be able to use it wirelessly as long as it is sufficiently charged. So all that you have to do to enable Bluetooth mode and to pair it with your PC is to press a respective button on the headset itself. Of course, first make sure that it is sufficiently charged. If needed, plug it in with the provided USB cable to charge it. As long as it is plugged into a suitable power source, it will receive enough battery and it is going to be ready to be used. Now, once you believe that it is sufficiently charged, press and hold the Bluetooth button that you see here above the power button. You have to hold it for about 3 seconds, and you will see some sort of LED flash indicating that the headset is now ready to be paired or in pairing mode. So with this done, you just have to enable Bluetooth on your PC, and after it is enabled, choose the option to add a new Bluetooth device. With the headset nearby, it is going to be detected by your PC or laptop. And of course, this is also going to work for any other device that features Bluetooth connectivity. The steps are the same. You enable Bluetooth, you put the headset into pairing mode, and then you go into the option to add a new Bluetooth device. And as long as you choose it from the list, it will remain connected. Once it runs out of battery, it is going to automatically disconnect itself, but you just have to power it back on after a while, and it should automatically pair itself up. So this pairing process needs to be done manually only once, and afterwards you can just select it from the list once you power it on. It will remain connected, and this is going to work for other devices that support Bluetooth, such as a smartphone and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect SteelSeries Arctis 9X to PC Bluetooth. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.